no have sense. And sister them people, and I mean them no good. And that's why you always hear them come out and say they love the poor. Because hunger poor people, you can't do them mess up me too. Hunger poor people, you know. Hunger poor people will fall for them, me. Because you control the place. Feel much here the place or fear place. And you and Printon Fergus are grown, and I go say, how we people live in a swamp. When that a place known for support your party. That place known for support your party. Who did in charge, another way, who no lack this. So they don't know what to come and talk about. Them not them did in and them they not do nothing. So really and truly they come now. And them not even know if you say them just attack foolish, and then may I wonder if they are going to fall for it. May I wonder if they're going to fall for it. Or them are going to say, look, I don't need to go about on business. Because I own it there. Michelle Charles can't do nothing. Because she did her do her thing. Much here, you don't have a seat. You don't have a division. And when you not lose, you know, that's the time. You not find the people them live in a swamp. That's the time you don't know. You see, when them in a power, you know, that's how them know. So the people them not live good. Yeah. All the years them in a power. You know, none of this not come out. Them not gonna look like them never know even them in a 20 years. The 20 hard years so them in a them never know say. Some people did their fall but we live in a within a St. Thomas they live in a swamp. And them never know say the living condition was so bad. So that means say una work better out of power, una work better without the power. So all of you just stay out of power because when you not in, you not see nothing. So una stay out, man. When me look at it, you know we be a good opposition. Continue to be a good opposition. Because you can't see it. Big up yourself, Robbie. You can't see it. You can't see it when you're not in. So just continue to be the opposition. Cause we wanted to point out, cause we know that our government believe in changing people's life. We believe that our government, and we know that our government always make move. There is no about that. Always look to change people life. So I'm saying to the PNP, when on the inner power, guys, as on a come and just stop his scream, shade the light. Yeah, as I say, when on the inner power, when can't see things them. So what I'm saying too, when just stay out of power, continue to stay out of power and see things, man. We can talk about them, and I know the government will act upon them. Cause good morning, cause people, if Brenton Ferguson can be the MP for over 20 years, and him just when him come out, him just as he say, the people them live in a swamp. The people condition don't look good. It means say when him in a power and I see so them not go back in a power. Simple. Where this another it I tell us say. That it I tell us say when them in a power, them not see things. Can you imagine 20 odd year and PNP just I see that the people are living at the swamp. Can I believe Marcia 20 odd year, you know? And them just realize that people in condition is not good. And then them say they love the poor. Yes, them love the poor. I can tell us a PNP party love the poor. Because every election they use the poor. And I can't believe how we as a people are so dumb. We get used by people, grow around. And so them love we poor. But yet never do nothing for the poor. You look about the constituency in Mark Golden constituency. I not gonna tell him to take up his money. Nah, I gotta tell him to take up his money. I don't know how him get his money. But what me have say, so me not gonna tell him to use his money. That I see money, but I people him would have talk to. But I say people are really this is somebody who don't want to represent in a way. Have money, have way of getting money, have way of getting help. Whether do nothing show that this is the man that I want to lead in the continually. Whether give nothing. This is the man who I look to. So and that's I don't know. And you see when we come back to this, that's why we did in a slavery so long. So we did because we easy fall. We easy fall. And you don't say I want black people. Black people is like that. Black people. Me not love certain something, yeah? But every time I look, I find out say we as black people sometimes we easily fall for we get abused and we get pushed in a corner and we be lick away. Because it's like we don't know when we say enough is enough. Yesterday I was passing through a live I want big old man depend here say nothing go on and him not see nothing and him would want help. Big old man in him, he even comment, cause I love comment, man, but me even comment. Cause him a blame the government and me I say, when me hear him story, him be there foreign and come back, no make nothing out of life. Big old man, no make nothing out of life. And come back and blame the government for him downfall. And them a mash up the country, you know. Tap up the screen, guys. Share the live. Tap the screen. And them a mash up the country. Go foreign. Go wasting time. Go foreign, go wasting time. Come back and blame the government. Like him be doing come back to Jamaica and say milk and honey. Milk and honey him be doing come back and see. You know. Yeah, the pan attack. The pan live attack. Go foreign. Go wasting time. Me no know how he reach back to Jamaica. Ready for take on. I'm go friend I get something. And him no look and him no look and say, and me if you blame for me downfall. Government. Even some of we use we support the government. We use we head. Yeah, we use we head and go on live. I want beat down some of my MP them too. Like we think we smart more than nobody else. And that we do, you know. Some we come on and ready for this so champagne and work. We champagne and do this. When yeah, so I tell people say we have a clear in government. We have a clear in government. Is this government perfect? No. Not a perfect government. Tap the screen, guys. Tap the screen. We don't have a perfect government. But right now, are the best to offer. And we should work with the government. Good morning, DJ. Good morning, good morning. And we are going to. So, somehow now, love come on live and say, wanna stand up for party. We know, wanna somehow not to. Oh, that's my problem. Hide and talk. The man will love come on live, come bash on her, or talk about on a MP. The man part of the problem. The man say, no willing for, oh, MP now work, MP now do nothing. And if you go up on a page and I don't even post nothing. So we know we do every trick in our book. We never hear PNP come out and say one of them MP we go. One of them MP now. But we want to come and get the light. So we are. We love, we party. Love, we party, make we talk. Marcia G, welcome. Yep, guys, I'm not planning for.
Man, I pay you all head time. The colonel funds.
Good morning. How are you?
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning,
Good
Black,
morning.
welcome. Marcia, welcome. Yeah, I'd family for.
Yeah.
Not hype, man. Is everything good?
Man, you know.
No, nothing like that. Nothing, absolutely nothing like
But as I made that but I love sometimes people don't see it in a different way. But I know everybody will talk about MP now work if we entertain. You understand?
that. That is so true.
Like
And
you
that,
don't say you don't say every constituency, you see? Every constituency have a strong JLP era.
mm-hmm,
And not every but quite a few. And a strong PMP era. Even though he would have JLP would have been the dominant. All right, look at even Andrew Holness constituency.
mm-hmm.
You have big up yourself one motivation Miller. Motivation Miller, you don't tell me about the boxing what happening with you and yeah, look black, watch your back up, back up. Yeah, so even Andrew Holness constituency. You know you have a place where strong. But then I love Andrew Holness none tall down there.
That
I
is
never
true.
know her name. And so if that person will cause a problem, him can come out, somebody from that division can come out with live and I say, oh, me not see him, I do nothing, him not come across, blah, blah, blah. And we entertain the person when we don't know, say,
Mm-hmm.
the person that even support the party never vote for the party.
That is true.
You understand me? You have
Yeah.
some people, them never vote, but them just see live and want to come and come because
Mm-hmm.
of person.
Spread propaganda. That is true.
Yes.
We have to be mindful of those people and just take them down. Yes. And even this is the same thing I was saying to Daddy's friend yesterday. He was saying that somebody, one of them people over there, said over the other side. I say, oh, the government and do this. No, we shouldn't be repeating those things. When I friend, not sorry, when I friend, he saw his friend. He must my PNP. You might say, oh, why the government not do this? We don't need to repeat it because
We don't
when we
need to
do that,
repeat.
we are giving legitimacy to the argument.
We don't need to
We
repeat.
don't, we don't believe it, but other people who are listening, why are you talk about the good things? Look at that speech he gave yesterday. Look at that speech. Look at
Yeah,
how the man lay out every step he's taking for the country. Every
yeah,
step he's taking.
yeah. Big up yourself, truly.
The small business them gonna get a break from the income tax or the business tax. The hotel workers then gonna get a break from being, I didn't even know they're being charged for their gratuity. They're
Mm-hmm.
paying tax on it. They're gonna get a break from that. No, those are when you see a country is growing, we can afford to give back because that money that he's now gonna take off the income tax off, that was part of the revenue for the country. Now he's saying, you know what, man, we can handle this. We don't need the tax tips, so we're
Okay.
gonna remove it.
Good, no problem.
That's what we're gonna do. So when you see a country that is becoming stable and confident, there is so much confidence in the economy with the minister, with Andrew and his team. You can see this is why people are getting return on income tax.
Yeah, sure.
All of a sudden,
Okay.
tell me which other Caribbean country they might give income tax return. We don't know of any, but maybe there is. You understand? You only hear these things in North America, not in Jamaica for sure. This is when you see a country is growing. No. How come to the people in the ground can't see it? The reason why them can't see it is because of the freelance mentality.
Yeah, and enough of them thing, as I say, I was on a live. I don't really go on every live, but I was on the live because when me come out, me say shock and a few labor at the depot. So I went there and me one big man pan the live. Once me see him, me just
Oh man,
yeah, I just believe that him a PMP without him say anything.
all academic run them off a lot. People not to
Me I
entertain
say,
them.
I
I
said the
was in
man
the
there.
comments. Too.
Yeah, me I said the man there PMP. When me hear him start to come out but not nah go on, me say and then him say I fired him with there and come back.
And before them take him on and tell him, say, come off after you waste your time of foreign. You want no blame government to give your house.
Yeah,
Say,
that's the thing.
something they're gonna build houses for $6 million. Huh?
And
6 million ain't gonna build houses for.
that's one of the things when my see is that we not proper deal with this to allow people to know say the government with due respect. The government and your father.
I say they should have asked him to say in the a developed country. How come you never get one of the free house from the government over there? You tell me where government in any part of the world, apart well, in North America, they give a free country. We have two of the richest countries in the world in North America, Canada and US, right? So tell me now, which part in Canada they might give you a free house? Because what they do over here for poor people, people with families, especially people with young kids, they have
Mm-hmm.
these houses in the different provinces. So I live in the province of Manitoba. We call them Manitoba housing. And they will keep people who are earning certain amount of income. You will live in those houses until when you the people them get big and them subsidize the rent. So you pay some and the government pays some,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
depending on your income. And as soon as them get 18 years old, you have to move out, give somebody else. So it's not yours. It is not
That's
yours.
a that's a what
Pardon me?
you yeah, big up active. Me people
Okay.
say Andrew have to do what you say. The Prime Minister have to do a big budget to win the election. You buy into that? Or when me say budget, I mean something to the liquor, big up boss, gear to the liquor man them. And may I wonder how that I got
Free.
possible. I think
So we could take him to take
understand. Jamaica
him
is
to take
still not a rich country.
him to take taxpayers' money, people who are working at the system, and taking it all of them people that sit on work side when no one work. That's what you're saying. Make a
Yeah, but
budget for the
Master
man who no
Master.
want work.
What I'm saying, Master, we're not a rich country, so
They don't
how
care.
much more you can go?
They don't care. They don't care, my dear. Because this is what PNP promised them.
Hey,
Give
let's
them
take a
more.
morning. Yeah, but
Give
may I
them
say,
more.
we not use with sense to say we are not a
No.
country where.
Because all we see is that we have some money.
But that money is
Thank you.
not a money with members saying.
No, what I'm
Money that
saying.
can disappear in a no time.
Hold on. What I'm saying. Politics. You know, sometimes people come in with one little money, and all of a sudden, then go buy one new car, then buy one new this, then buy one new that. Plan for the money. I say, you know what? Let's put some aside for really dear. No, then just splurge and just spend off the money. Bingo bango. Hurricane come. The roof may fix up, this name fix up, that they do, and that they not have the money now. This is the same thing. They don't think of the future. They taught us, slavery taught us to think selfishly and think of no, today. Because we have a saying said, tomorrow pays provide for itself.
Yeah, but
But the,
cause Cliff love says, and when him I say, may I wonder what Cliff mean. I mean, love says like in a trickle down and the Prime Minister after the election. Was
you
that
know,
that made me wonder as a country that is not a rich country, how much more the Prime Minister can do? Because him can go take up the money and say, we don't have enough money. Yeah,
good
everybody.
morning.
We don't have enough money to start
10 bucks.
a welfare.
I picked them up from home.
We don't have enough money to start a welfare where we can. So, when be people say, oh, the Prime Minister need a budget. I don't know. Maybe I just me. But me just see how much more him can go. Because we see the largest amount of money ever put out for the road. So you find out that is a big thing. And we see water. I got some place where they've never see running water yet. So when me hear people say them need to come in with a budget so the liquor man can feel it. Me I wonder, as we say, baby, I mean I know much about it, but me I wonder how much them can go on that.
Politics. What may I say? What may I say? You see, when you check the levels, no for the MP them are work, you know. But watch out now, you choose some people that see the work we are going off with them area. Them kind of remember say a constituency. Remember a constituency big, you know. You see me I say? And
Yeah.
in the year your district and you might not see nothing going on as yet. So you know so you have to wait. You get me?
You
Because
know,
in idea them out there work same way, but who not in a embrace in a for them community, so them always have a lick out on it. Yeah, man, say that's the
yeah.
way. That's the
Yeah.
year
And
why they must say that. You understand?
you know another thing too.
Yeah, but
Sometimes
but but yeah, but for
fear.
your time will come. You understand? For your time will come, you know. When for your place I got deal with and develop same way, you know. You understand?
Yeah,
Because
but sometimes
it can't do
really
whole constituency one time.
Sometimes it really do pressure some of the new, cause even in the West, it's like the MP them get it so bad where them just literally guys we not give them credit like we them deserve, you know. I literally fight the MP them always falling a fight for their life, you know. When we say fight, I mean like them have to plead to the people, them have to beg them have to rush and do some road, them have
And
to go the it's like the odds are against them where them have to really push out to say we not give up and burning plastic because yourself, bro, but them not give up.
but remember, say the name I get none from first, and this one come in still a try and still a fight.
So
You get me? And I make a road a bill and they still a fight same way. You see me, I
that's
say? Fight
that's
for win, but then see it. You
yeah, that's
understand?
a fight. Them a fight, literally a fight. When I look for the guy when name Marlon Wilson,
More
the
on, yeah.
guy, him and the media person like that. But guess what? You have here and here. You have here and here turn up the fire where every day man a fear out. Every day man fear out, you know, and defend himself. Every day we fear out and defend himself. So you find out them so unfair for the first time MP them. Really unfair for the
Yeah, man,
first
they unfair,
time.
with you. Mm.
And you see people are come about them say them say them we not gonna do it. And we put them in and we not say nothing. Remember say remember somebody did have a few months here and could get it done.